That's the perimeter of a regular octagon. So we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So an octagon has 8 sides. All right. So how do I find the length of one side? We need that because when we draw in this right triangle, we'll need to find this angle here. Okay, to find that angle, we have to take 360 and divide by 8. That's going to equal to 45. That's the central angle. Okay, so the central angle is found by taking 360 divided by the number of sides. Then we have to take 45, divide it by 2, and that's going to get us to 22.5. That's the angle here that we need, 22.5 for this angle here. And we know the perimeter is 64. We can take 64, okay, and divide by 8, and that'll get us the length of one side, which is equal to 8. All right, so I can just put that anywhere to represent one side, but now we have to take 8 and divide by 2 to get half of that length. From here to here is 4. Okay, we have to find the apothem, so that's my x, and I'm using tangent. Okay, you should have this understood by now. So tangent 22.5. Okay, every time you have a regular 8-sided figure, this angle here is 22.5 degrees. Okay, and we're always using tangent when we're doing these two sides. So opposite over adjacent, you should have that understood, how I'm getting this fraction. Okay, and okay, what you should be getting in your calculator should look like this. Menu 3-1, don't forget that degree symbol. Your fraction is opposite over adjacent, so we're getting 9.7. If I round it, I will round here to save space, but so the area of this figure is found by taking 1/2 times the apothem that we just found, and I'll abbreviate on paper. Let me just use parentheses here. Times, we already know the perimeter, 64. Oops. And so, as you can see, what I did was put down 0.5, and I showed you this earlier, and I just arrowed up, pressed enter to bring in all of those decimal places, and then times perimeter. That got us 309.019, so we want to round that to the nearest hundredth, which would be 309.02.